Hey everybody, just wanted to pop on here for a little while and talk to you about what I'm up to here lately. The image that you see on the screen is actually a Dart shirt. I've been doing a lot of designing for Dart shirts. I have a contact at a manufacturer that manufactures these shirts for me, and I do designs for people, for teams, leagues, individuals, and once the design is approved, I send it to my manufacturer, who then in turn manufactures it and sends it back to me. It's a great little business. I'm generally mostly involved with darts, although I've done some pool shirts, I've done some bowling shirts, and now I'm hoping to get into some softball shirts. The shirt that you see there, I have used AI to generate that image. Normally I don't. I just do all my designing freestyle on Adobe Illustrator. I have Illustrator and Photoshop. Actually, I have the whole Creative Cloud. Probably a bit of overkill. I only really need those two programs, but I like to have the other ones for the odd occasion that I do need them. So the purpose of this video is just to let my followers know that subscribers, I should say, and it's on YouTube. Let my subscribers know that this channel from here on out is going to be revolving around how I make money with AI, with Adobe Illustrator, with Photoshop. Some of the things that I do. Shirts is not the only things that I do, but I will be doing quite a few tutorials and design alongs live. If this is something that you'd like to follow, hit subscribe button and hit the little bell so that you're notified when I put up new videos. I'm really excited to get this going because I've learned so much over the years, and I think it's a little business that a lot of people could get into. I don't want anybody getting into it in my area. I don't want any direct competition. I'm in Canada. I'm in Newfoundland. But if you're in other parts of North America or anywhere in the world, really, you could find yourself a manufacturer too, and you can use Adobe Illustrator to create some awesome products for people in your area, and you can make a good bit of money doing it. So again, subscribe and come back and watch when I start doing some live videos.